Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Open the Compass app on your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Raise your wrist and press the digital crown to view apps. Swipe left or right to find the compass icon and tap it. Wait a moment while the watch stabilizes and acquires calibration data from sensors. Keep the watch level and still until the heading digits stop changing. If prompted, follow on-screen calibration by rotating your wrist in slow, full circles. The compass shows heading in degrees and incline in degrees. Look at the large heading number to orient toward bearing values. Tap the screen to switch between true and magnetic north when you need map alignment. Observe coordinates and elevation displayed beneath the heading for precise position awareness. The orange indicator points north, while the green arrow points you toward your selected bearing. If the reading seems off, hold the watch level and repeat calibration steps. Press and hold anywhere on the compass face to mark a waypoint and save your location instantly. The watch will label the waypoint and show distance to it in meters, for example 50 m, so you can navigate precisely. Use Backtrack to retrace your steps when you become disoriented and follow the breadcrumb path displayed on screen. Turn the digital crown to zoom the compass view and improve precision for fine adjustments. Tap the waypoint to get directions, then follow the bearing arrow until you
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.